Quarterback, Joey Castillo.
If I have to roll out, just go straight. Go! Go!
Dice left flex, Sally takeoff, okay? You got a bender. Outside guys, just stay on your goes.
Go! Keep going, Marcos! Coach! Jump. Go! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Hey, first play, what you think, Coach?
Little Mariner, baby!
Ah! Go! Set! Go! Keep going, baby, keep going. Keep it up. Check three. Go! Doing. Coach Saltz, this one's for you right here. You see that?
Let's go!
Hey,
Let's go!
say it piece of that corner.
Let's go, Joey.
Hey, bro, is that Mariner? Let's go, baby. Gotta keep it up right now. Hey, foot on the pedal. I want it to the house right now, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
We're gonna go wide nail the first play, and then maybe ladder like 2 plays after that.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Set. Go. Set. Go. Hey, you're laying the wood on me, bro. Good work. They don't want none right now. 23 zip. They don't want none. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Stop scoring. I want to win MVP, bro. Go. Stay up. Good work, bro. You guys are beating me hard.
I want that mic to hear me. That's
yeah. What do you want to say?
All right, shout out. Chula Vista.
Go! Go! Ooh.
Go.
Left footed kicker. Yeah, look, he's right there. You got anything to say?
Yeah, I love my quarterback.
I need a running back to stop scoring. I'm trying to win MVP tonight. I guess I'm going to be a team player today. Dude, this man's unstoppable right now.
Let's get it.
Break their back right here. Let's go pistol, dice left spread, fast, W0, F line.
Go! Go, Chili. W3. 3. Go! Ooh. Ooh.
Go.
Marcos, let's go up. No! You saw my up! I don't like you right now. I was gonna go up with Marcos.
Oh.
Look it, they just caught on camera you filming me going up with Marcos.
It's all right though.
No. Mom, I know you're watching. I love you. She's right there in the stand somewhere. Say hey PPR.
Hey PPR.
I want to give a special shout out to these boys right here, both centers. They always, hey, do I ever treat you to Denny's pancakes?
Oh yeah.
Always.
Denny's pancakes, that's where it's at for them. Hey Javen, have anything to say?
Nah, I just love this man right here. Good guy, good guy.
Have anything to say?
Yeah, man, it's a great game. I love it.
I love it too.
Yeah.
Give it to Joey Castillo.
I waited a whole year last year behind the senior for this moment right here. You can ask Coach Wesley. I waited a whole year just for this moment right now.
It's my boy throwing dimes out here.
I'm trying to live it up.
PPR.
What do you have to say?
Well, I mean, I'm very proud of my quarterback, seriously. Like, this season, couldn't be without him. Great offense, Marcos the end of the ball. Also, shout out to myself, because without him, I wouldn't be the kicker I am today.
So I hold the ball for him, and
He's the best holder in the world. No doubt from sophomore years.
Our best friends, day ones, they're right there. They're right there. The one in the green jacket, eating nachos, right there. Look at, they're waving. They're waving straight over there. They're waving. You see them?
Brought down for a yard loss.
Joey, I see your flex.
They're my best friends right there. My only real friends, actually, in my opinion. Hey. Fun fact, I hang out in the ASB during lunch. Don't go outside, just hang out, read books in the ASB. I know what you guys are thinking. I would probably be out there, be a social butterfly. No, I hang out in the ASB, read books. I think our team finally is all clicking on all cylinders right now. I mean, man, we had a tough couple games. Passing Coach Molina just made us stronger and just a better bond, all of us, honestly. So I mean, it just gave us a better bond with each other, really brought us together to have a purpose for our games. So I mean, us winning league back-to-back years undefeated, and the scores we put up against these teams, it's good. To those playing football, goes by really fast. Never, dude, it was just the beginning of the season yesterday, I felt. And then now it's senior night, playoffs are around the corner. Just don't take nothing for granted, honestly. Life, football, school, your parents, don't take anything for granted. Live every day to your fullest, and no matter what happens, if you're having a bad day, just think about the other people out there that may be having a worse day than you. That's my message to them. I remember though, a little touching story here. Coach Molina just recently passed away. During baseball season, he'd just steal my seeds away from me, always eat them. I'm like, hey, those are my seeds. What are you doing? He'd be like, it's all good. Just keep on eating them. Not a day goes by without thinking about him. Yellow cleats, yellow laces, gotta support him. It was hard for all of us. I mean, we had our whole team there, alumni, but.
Joey, you should be flex. Show them how flexible.
Man, but it's been pretty hard weeks without Coach Molina. We've gone undefeated though. We've been 4-0 since Coach Molina passed away, and we just pretty much dedicate every week to him. We wake up at 6 in the morning, sometimes for practices on breaks. It's just like, there's people out there facing harder, worse conditions than us. Like, why are you gonna complain about waking up so early for practice when there's people out there battling cancer, you know? So I mean, we just thank all those. That's why we're gonna donate all the money we win today to cancer research, Brady Children, so. Yeah.
And finally, the offensive player for Hilltop High School will go to quarterback number 8, Joey.
Thank you. Thank you. No. Hey, I couldn't have done it without my line, baby. Hey, Molina strong. Molina strong. Mic'd up trophy right here, I guess. Yep, the O-line, God thank them.
Let me touch that.
Hey, I couldn't have done this without Coach Molina. Thank you for raising him.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I can't win this without him.
a big round of applause.
Look at the camera. Just throw up the Molina strong.
Try and get outside.
Right now.